everybody of this world, today or tomorrow, have to stop, must need to stop. This is the natural law. Even though we want or not, this is true for everybody. The person who always prepare to stop, he or she agree with the any kinds of incidents of life. They are good receiver. They always appreciate the realities as a natural law and enjoy the peace. The person who don't prepare to stop and don't agree with the natural system of life, he or she also need to stop. As they don't agree, they suffer a lot. There is no way to avoid the stop of human life. 50 years, 70 years, 100 years, 120 years, even 150 years later also we need to stop. This is the eternal truth. If we appreciate this stuff, our life will become a festival. Our death will be like a festival. If we don't agree, and our life will be an events of suffering and sadness. So hopefully you will appreciate your life events even though it is in favor of your desire or not. So human life is not only have the positive event, sometimes have the negative event and negative result. Instantly we cannot understand the reasons of the events. Instantly we cannot understand the result of events. Sometimes bad result also have a good reasons, good future. Sometimes I analyze my life and the events, the result which was not in favor of my plan, I complain. But after 30 years later, now understand what happened for